Hi everyone, welcome to our online video lesson series. Today we'll be going through our A-level paper 2018, paper 1 question 2. Okay, so this is a question on chemical bonding. So it's asking on which diagram correctly represents the bonding between Al2Cl6 and AlCl3. So clearly Al2Cl6 is a dimer of AlCl3, which is also indicated by the equation shown in the question. Okay, so the possibility of how dimers come about is the presence of dative bonds. So all the four options has clearly shown to you dative bonds being formed between the two dimers. Okay, so let's go through the structure of AlCl3. Then from there we can discuss on how the dimer is formed. Okay, so AlCl3, even though aluminium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal, the presence of the bond between them is going to be a covalent bond because of the high charge density of your aluminium metal. Okay, so Al3 plus ion has a very high charge density, so which gives rise to a high polarizing power. So since it has a high polarizing power, it is capable of polarizing the electron cloud of chlorine. Hence, it causes the AlCl bond to be a covalent bond. So you will expect aluminium chloride to have a trigonal planar structure. So the three chlorines around it. So this is the structure of, so this is chlorine. So this is going to be a AlCl3. So this is a covalent compound due to the high covalent character in the compound. Okay, so therefore options A and B are wrong. So moving on to options C and D now. C and D have shown you a dimer, whereby in option C, the dimer is formed by the dative bond having aluminium being the donor and chlorine being the acceptor. So right now, your aluminium here, so let's understand about the aluminium here. It has three bonds around it, so each of the bond is comprising a pair of electrons. So this aluminium here has 6 electrons around it. So 6 electrons means it's falling short of obtaining its octet configuration. Therefore, it has vacancy in its orbital, and therefore it allows a dative bond to be formed. However, aluminium is going to be the acceptor now, so it accepts electron pairs, so it becomes the acceptor. And your chlorine is actually the donor, because the chlorine here has 6 electrons on its orbital that it is capable of sharing. So therefore, the structure of your dimer is basically going to have your chlorine, your 3 chlorines bonded to aluminium is this way. Okay, and then your chlorine from another adjacent neighboring molecule is the one that donates a pair of electron, and this aluminium here is basically going to obtain another pair of electron from the adjacent chlorine here. So this is how your dimer is going to look like. So you can clearly see that the chlorine molecule, the chlorine atom is the one that donates the pair of electrons, and aluminium is the one that accepts it. So this option is only given to you in option D. So therefore, the answer here is D. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our online video series. Do follow us on our Instagram page and our Facebook page to view more of such videos. Also, refer a friend to obtain refer the friend rebates. Thank you and see you again soon.